Allah says in Surah Al-Araf verse 31, Innahu la yuhibbul musrifin. Indeed, Allah does not like the wasteful. Yet Indonesia produces more than 2 million tons of textile waste every year. 2 million tons. Imagine, lots of clothing not destroyed by time, but discarded by trends. That contradiction should disturb us. But before I unpack this reality, allow me to introduce myself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rachmadhani, a student of Industrial Engineering from Universitas AHMAD DAHLAN. And today, I would like to deliver a persuasive speech that highlights Sustainable Development Goals number 12, which is a global commitment that urges nations to transform the way we consume, produce, and manage our resources for long-term sustainability. As an industrial engineering student myself, I am trained to observe system. In any system, when input exceeds actual need, waste will appear. When processes are inefficient, resources are lost. And when demand is artificially created, overproduction follows. Now, look at our consumption behavior. Indonesia generates more than 60 million tons of waste annually, and the number continues to rise. Textile waste grows rapidly due to fast fashion cycles and impulsive buying habits. Globally, the fashion industry contributes nearly 10% of carbon emissions. Producing a single cotton t-shirt requires around 2,700 liters of water. That is nearly 3 years of drinking water for just 1%. And yet, many garments are worn only a few times before being discarded. This is not about necessity. It is about access driven by trends. Production follows demand, and demand follows behavior. If we continue to sing fast, cheap, and disposable goods, the industries will keep producing them. But if we shift toward durability and responsibility, the system will adjust. So, what can we do, Rochman? We start with intentional decisions. First thing first, buy something because you need it, not because it is trending. Second of all, maintain products that you have for a longer time. Third, repair instead of replace. Fourth, reduce unnecessary packaging. And the last one, support local businesses and UMKM to strengthen sustainable supply chains. When we choose local products, we shorten supply chains, reduce transportation emission, strengthen Indonesia's economy at the grassroots level, and promote growth that is both competitive and responsible. And beyond personalization, we need innovation. So allow me to introduce a concept that's called Bank Textile, turning waste into taste. This is an IoT system where discarded fabrics are collected, sorted, and redesigned into valuable products, not treated as trash, but managed as resources. This is how we move from a linear model of take, use, discard to a smarter cycle of collect, redesign, and reuse. Responsible consumption does not mean limiting growth. It means engineering growth with efficiency and purpose. Economic progress without responsibility creates environmental cost, while economic progress with stability will create resilience. So, the real question here is not whether SDG 12 is important, but the question here is, will we redesign our habits or will we allow the waste to design our future? Every purchase that you do sends a signal. Every signal shapes production, and every production determines the condition of our environment. So together with me, let us unite our hearts, our action, and our determination for Indonesia, tanah air tercinta. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.